Hey everybody, welcome to Let's Do a Thing, and today is another Wednesday, so I've got a banger of an episode for you today. Whenever it involves glizzies or hot dogs, for those of us that weren't born, when did glizzies become popular? I don't know. Anyways, if you don't know what a glizzy is, it's also a hot dog. So we've got the Hotdurger today. That's right, it's a hot dog and a burger, Hotdurger. Let's go ahead and get our setup together, and we'll make this Hotdurger. Okay, everyone. So you can tell this is going to be a simple, easy recipe when I bust out a blender and a cooker for a Hotdurger. So the recipe starts. I say recipe very loosely here. We're gonna get 3 of our glizzies out. I keep saying glizzies, hoping that YouTube will bump this up. All right, I'm cool, YouTube. I'm gonna go with 3 of these suckers because they did 2. I think you're gonna need 3 for a whole egg. And we've got 1 whole egg that's gonna be our binder here. Oh no, that looks. Okay, then we're just gonna go for this, guys. It's gonna be great. Don't even worry about it. Oh.
Get in there, they get
I don't know how far we should go with the glizzies. Hold on, let me scrape down the side. Nope, that doesn't reach. Oh God. Oh God, hold on. We're gonna scrape down the sides of our. It looks like cat food.
Kind of smells like cat.
Oh God. I bought all beef hot dogs just in case, trying to. This is ridiculous. Oh my God. Let me scrape it down again. I like hot dogs and this smells bad. It's like this isn't made to do this. I'm gonna switch to a mortar and pestle. Definitely what the ancients used this for was for Hotdurgers when they invented it. You wanna get into this Hotdurger mix?
I
Oh.
can smell that from here.
Oh God.
All for you, folks. I believe in this. I love y'all so much. Okay, this looks better than his did, though. His looked really kind of loose and gross. Hold on. Oh boy, really pushing the culinary limits here. There it is. You can tell I'm really excited about this one. Let me clean up and procrastinate a little bit. Just really busy. Doing anything but this. This does absolutely look like cat food. That is cat food. It's okay. This is gonna be good, guys. We're all gonna be blown away by this. Okay. Let's take some of our Hotdurger mixture. We'll pat it out into a a burger shape. There we go. This is why people are vegan. This right here. We'll turn on the fire. Yeah, we'll let this cook for a little bit, and then we'll flip it when it's, looks pretty brown and crispy. Hopefully that'll only take a couple minutes.
What is that?
We're gonna try to flip this Hotdurger. It is like a soupy mess, though. So I don't know how this is gonna go. We're just gonna give it our college try, okay? Okay, it firmed up just a hair. This ain't too bad, maybe. Commit. Okay, Remember, food can smell fear. So we're gonna do this, okay? 1, 2, I'm gonna look at you the entire time. 1, 2, 3. Did it do it? Hey, that looks like a smash burger. It does beg the question though, what made all this crispy bits? Was that meat protein? Or is that egg maybe? I don't know. But it looks like a burger. It honestly looks like a turkey burger right now. We're gonna let this side fry up for just as long. Let's give ourselves as much of a head start as possible. And then I'm gonna put some good old American cheese on top. Because I believe in American cheese for burgers. Hotdurgers. Look at how much fat is in those dang hot dogs. That's nuts. Always lay food away from you. Rest well, my sweet champion.
So Nate, is this the Maillard reaction?
This is, I think, the Maillard reaction. I think.
I think.
Because technically, I guess it would be a protein reaction regardless, even if it is the egg. But ain't that something? Science, guys. Science. I'm just gonna move that out of the way. Let's go ahead and get our burgers built, okay? Our Hotdurger built. So I like to start with some lettuce on the bottom. I put lettuce on the bottom first off, just that way you don't have heat rises. So if you put lettuce on top, it makes your lettuce go soggy faster. I think. You know, you build it your way. But first I'm going to put a little of mustard or ketchup down as well. This ketchup. Yeesh. We're going to give this a fair shake, okay? We're going all out. We got some fresh spring lettuce, even though it's fall. Look at this. Look at that. Hotdurger. Okay, see, it even holds together, kind of move quickly. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna go ahead and put on some tomatoes. 2 big tomatoes. And I don't care if this is a Hotdurger or a regular burger, always season your tomatoes. We're gonna do it with just a little bit of pepper because hot dogs have a ton of salt in them. So we'll just do some black pepper on our tomatoes. We're gonna put a couple red onions on there. Just, you know, a little crisscross right there. Some mustard on the top. Spread this mustard out. All right, let's get some pickles. 3 pickles, I think that's fair. And then we'll top our Hotdurger. All right, look at this. This is kind of fun, I'm not gonna lie. Look at this little Hotdurger. It looks like a Krabby Patty. So this is the Hotdurger. Granted, I zhuzhed it up a little best I could. The original video, I think they just did some sauces on the bun, and I get why. But I wanted to try something a little bit, just up it a little bit. Let's go ahead and let's cut this in half, and we'll try it.
Cross section.
Cross section, everybody. I know you guys want to see the cross section of the Hotdurger. I'm just gonna start saying it different every time now. Hotdurger.
You can get in there, Paul.
Okay, let's try to. That is a soft patty. It's bad when the bun is harder than the patty. Ooh. Ah, look at that. Welcome to the Hotdurger. So good. Maybe. Let's see. Okay. On first impressions, honestly, it doesn't look half bad. It kind of does resemble ground beef now that it's been cooked. And it looks like a decent little burger. I'm sorry, Hotdurger. So let's bite into this.
Durger.
Nope.
Oh, no.
That's just,
Just a hot dog.
that's just a hot dog. Very reminiscent of bologna. There is no texture to that. It just went whoop, right through. Nope. Honestly, it tastes good. It tastes good. There is just zero texture to that. That just falls apart in my mouth. Honestly, it's not bad tasting though. It reminds me of bologna. If you like fried bologna or things like that, that would probably be the faster, easier way to go about this. And you'd get very similar results. But you know what? It's not up to me. I'm gonna let you guys decide. Would you do this or not? Listen, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and like and subscribe down below. Check out our Patreon and all that fun stuff. But until next time, go have a Hotdurger.